Hello guys, today it was all about pool table or billiard table or billiards table. Is a bonded table on which cue sports are played. In the modern era, all billiards table, whether for carom billiards, pool, pyramid or snooker, provide a flat surface, usually made of quarried straight, that is covered with cloth, usually of a tightly woven worsted wool called base, and surrounded by vulcanized rubber cushions with the whole thing elevated above the floor. More specific terms are used for specific sports such as snooker table and pool table, and different size billiard balls are used on these table types. An obsolete term is billiard board, used in the 16th and 17th century. A pool table or pocket billiards table has 6 pockets, one at each corner of the table, corner pockets, and one at the midpoint of each of the longer side pockets or mid-row pockets. Pool table comes in different sizes, typically referred to as 9 foot, 2.7 meter, 8.5 feet, 2.6 meter, 8 feet, 2.4 meter, or 7 feet, 2.1 meter tables. In all cases, the table is rectangular with a 2:1 ratio, e.g. 9 by 4.5 feet. There are only 2 sizes approved for tournament play by the International Olympic Committee, recognized sport governing body of pool, the World Pool Billiard Association (YPA), and its various regional and national affiliates. Under the world standards rules of pool, these are the 9 by 4.5 feet and 8 by 4 feet models. For a 9 feet table, the playing surface, the dimension between the noses of the cushions measure 100 by 50 inches, 254 by 127 centimeter, with an 8-inch 3.2 millimeter margin of error for either dimension. For an 8 feet table, the playing surface measures 92 by 46 inches, 234 by 117 centimeter, with the same 1/8 inch variance allowed. In the UK, as well as a number of other British, Commonwealth and European countries, the typical pool table is a 7 feet by 3.5 feet, 2.1 meter by 1.1 meter. Although 6 foot 1.8 meter tables for the pub and home market are also common. These are the sizes used by intentionally standardized black ball and the Amateur World 8-Ball Pool Federation, as well as informal pub pool. The 7-foot size is also frequently used in North America amateur leagues and are common coin-operated fixture in bars and other venues. The playing surface for a 7-foot table is 76 by 38 inches. That is 193 by 96.5 centimeter. The pockets typically rimmed at the back with leather or plastics. Traditional have drop pockets, which are smaller receptacles below each pocket to contain the balls. More modern table may instead employ ball return pocket, a series of gutters inside the table which deliver the balls into a correction compartment on one side of the table. In similar manner to the ball return on a bowling alley, on a coin-operated table, the object balls are deposited inside an inaccessible window until the table is paid again, allowing the balls to be released into the compartment where the cue ball is usually separated into its own ball return often utilizing a different size ball. A possible result of drop pockets is that if too many balls go into the same pocket, it will fill up the receptacle and prevent any more balls from going in that pocket, requiring that some be moved out of the pocket manually before shooting again. Bed. For tournament competition under YPA, World Standardized Rules, any rig play under the live rule sets, the bed of the pocket's billiard table must be made of slate no less than 1 inch 2.454 centimeter thick. The flatness of the table must be divergent by no greater than 0.02 inches or 0.051 millimeter lengthwise and 0.001 inches or 0.25 millimeter across the width. Scoring device. Some pool tables may feature mechanical scorekeeper on one side, which can be changed to detonate points for games such as street pool or rotation. That's all about pool table. Remember, pool is played on a pocket billiard table with one white cue ball and 15 number object balls. Thank you. How does the game end? The first player or side to reach an agreed number of points wins the game.